Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Thank you so much for tuning in today. In this video, I'm just going to show you what comes in the kit, A Magical Christmas. This is page kit number 3. I actually have 2 kits now that are titled A Magical Christmas, but this is number 3. So this isn't the newest one that I have, but we do restock periodically all of our kits. So if you don't have this kit yet, please check out my shop. There's a link below this video. Just click on that and you'll see all the fun projects that we have available. So I'm just going to show you the sample real quick here. There's the title. We use some beautiful green glitter paper for this. And I like to use the foam squares to add a little bit of dimension. You don't have to do that, but I like to do that in mine. And we've also included some really soft suede or velvety paper. Now it's not really easy to see in the video, but it's really nice. And then some gold glitter stars that look real nice with this as well. So in your kit, you're going to receive a couple of sheets of instructions. And you have pictures. Oh, there they are. I was wondering where the instructions were. They're on the back. Okay, so we have step-by-step instructions here on the back, full color photos on how to put it together. And then we have some larger images to help in paper piecing. Okay, in your kit, you're going to receive 2 sheets of the solid backing paper as well as 2 of the decorative paper. You're going to have to trim this down. It still has the barcode on it, so it'll tell you in your instructions what size to trim it down to. You have some baggies in here for the smaller pieces. And then, of course, everything is very carefully cut out for you. And again, there's that beautiful glitter. Just love that. And let's see, here's all the cut pieces. And then your photo mats. So all the photo mats are cut as well. So you don't have to worry about that. When you're ready to add your photos, just go ahead and measure what the photo mat is and then trim your photos down to 1/4 of an inch smaller than that. Or you might not have to trim your photos, because I think there's a 5x7 and some 4x6s, so just order them to that size. And then you've got some strips in here. Now, if you look on the back, you're going to find some hand-drawn lines for you. These were traced using Kiwi Lane templates. And you just have to cut them out and glue them down, and there's step-by-step in your instructions how to do that as well. So that is everything that comes in your kit. Like I said, if you'd love to pick this up, please click on that link below. And please like this video if you haven't already, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that bell for notifications so you won't miss a thing. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.